Hey everybody, today we're checking out our all-new Bulletproof Designs lever kits available for the HUSQVARNA FE 4-stroke and TE 2-strokes. These are a Magura specific kit, so all the bikes with a Magura clutch and a Magura brake, these will fit right up. They're available in black anodized as well as blue anodized. Retail is $129.95. They're a 60-61 billet aluminum machine lever and knuckle. They are a spring-loaded design to help eliminate any kind of braking. So if you fall over, they'll spring out of the way. They have an adjuster nut on the bottom side to allow the adjustment for reach if you have longer or shorter hands. Simple to install. A few seconds, you simply replace the stock pivot hardware and the bushing inside the stock lever and reinstall the stock hardware and you're good to go. They're available from our local Bulletproof Designs dealerships, or you can click the link below and check out bulletproofdesigns.com.